Good afternoon. Papunta kami ng Dagupan.
Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to our channel. Ito yung vlog na interview namin ng anak namin for the coming pageant. Sana intrams. Ano yan?
Intrams, candidate po siya ng Intram, Mr. Intramural.
Then, tingnan natin
Siya
kung
niya,
yung mga
siya niya.
feelings and concerns niya for the upcoming this pageant. Anong first question mo?
Anong feeling mo, Frank? You are, na to represent your grade 10.
It's excited naman, parang first time lang ever since na parang
Kunin mo.
mas ako na yun, mas parang magaganan ako this school year. Tapos parang idolize ko rin ang aking tatay. Kasi may nagkwento sa akin na lola ko na naging Mr. Intrams na yung dad ko nung nakaraan, kaya parang gusto ko subukan gayahin
When he was younger.
Parang gusto lang parang get na attention sometimes, kasi parang I'm not one of the famous sa section namin, kaya parang gusto ko lang i-expose yung sarili ko.
Maging confident, like beautiful with a heart.
Second question, you said na you are famous with your class. Can you elaborate na ano yung mga katangian na nakita nila bilang sikat ka sa inyong classroom?
Hindi siya sikat.
Famous. Just brief one lang.
That question kasi parang it's parang opposite. I'm not that famous sa school sa section namin. Parang I'm one of the boys lang. And then parang walang attention.
Build confidence.
Parang my classmates parang kapag mga projects, they don't treat us as friends. Parang parang taga-utos lang. Parang sila yung masusunod. Parang minamalit kami.
Nobody.
Parang minamalit kami na estudyante. Kasi immature din minsan yung mga classmates. Kami maayos kami, sila hindi. Tapos paano sila, kaya ganun.
I see. Parang you're just saying na this is for your improvement, personal improvement,
Yes.
na pakita mo sa kanila na you're worth it, like that, Frank.
Yes.
Okay. Any additional question, Frank?
Anong preparations mo for that coming competition?
Yung mga costumes, tapos yung my feelings, yung confident ko na bilang isang
Preparation.
Yeah, that's my preparation for being confident, for being a candidate, and also representing our batch as their grade 10 Mr. Intrams. And also of course my attires dapat and I need to be masyadong self-esteem sa sarili ko, kasi used to be parang takot ako sa harap, na yung parang iniiwasan ko na yung mga ganyang fears. Parang finiface ko na yung sometimes yung fears ko para ma-get used to it, and di ko na siya masasabi na fear ko yun, kaya parang nasasanay na ako sa fears ko.
Any other questions from your mother?
No more. Wala na kasi he's physically and mentally prepared. Pero dapat yun, basta wag nervyusin and do your best. Di ba? Do your
Yes.
best.
Ako naman for my suggestions ay yung siguro yung maipapayo ko lang, enjoy the moment na nandun ka sa harap, nandun ka sa nasa stage na be confident enough na mga tanong, the way na iyak mo yung mga kailan gawin, or your talent, or just be yourself at isipin mo this is your moment, that's your na pakita mo sa kanila na you're worth 100%
Ready.
na ready at prepared sa mga ganyan. Yun lang, good luck anak, good luck, and everything will be okay kasi nandito naman kami bilang yung mga magulang na we support you all the way. Any additional? Yan lang.
So yan muna.
Yan muna. That's konting chit chat with
Yan
our
muna mga friends. Until our next vlog, please like and subscribe to Mercado's USRN Life Journey. Thank you. Bye.